Hello, dear MBA and MCA aspirants. Congratulations, all of you, for your PGCET results. Yesterday, KEA has announced PGCET 2021 results. I hope you all have got good results. But the purpose of doing this video is to help MCA aspirants because many MCA aspirants ask me, sir, MCA colleges ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ MBA ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರಲ್ಲ MBA ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. So with that purpose, I'm doing this particular video. In this video, what I have done is I have shown category wise top MCA colleges, taking last year ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2020 ಇದು PGCET ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು MCA ಗೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು I have prepared a list. Please watch this particular video till the end, and I'll give you the link, okay, in the description to download this particular list what I'm going to show you. Right, you can use that and help yourself in identifying the best MCA colleges in Karnataka for your ranking. So ನಿಮಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 100 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ MCA college. As I said, this particular list is made on a few parameters. So last year PGCET ranking cutoff ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ I have prepared this list, and ranking cutoff for each category. So each categories ಗೆ I have made a list, so you can refer. If you belongs to one of those categories, you can just refer it, or you can just consider only GM as a finalist. And I have done this for both non HK ಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, HK ಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. And the last one is I have ignored number of seats here. Some colleges ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, some colleges ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Government quota ಮಾತ್ರ based on that. So you know that how the seating allotment happens, right? ಈಗ 60 seats ಇದ್ರೆ in any of the colleges, usually 30 government quota seats ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 30 management quota ಇರುತ್ತೆ in management colleges. But ಈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಟಾ ಸೀಟ್ಸ್, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಹೌ ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ these colleges for each of the categories. Right, here we go. The ranking of MCA colleges in Karnataka based on 2020 PGCET cut-off rank for respective categories. So the same way I did for MBA. You can just refer if you are MBA student. Previous video ನೋಡಿ, so ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ MBA ದವರಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಟ್ MCA ದವ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ PGCET 2020 MCA ಫಾರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. RV ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, RVCE ಮೈಸೂರು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಸ್ 49 ಫಾರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ವೈಸ್ PS ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ 98, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology 144, BMS College of Engineering 155, JSS ಅಂದ್ರೆ SJC ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ JSS Science and Technology University ಮೈಸೂರು. The last year cut off for general merit ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 190 ಇತ್ತು. Likewise, you can just have a look at, I'll keep scrolling it down. As per my knowledge, there are around 76 colleges, MCA colleges in Karnataka. th is VTU PG Center, Muddanahalli, Chikkaballapura. The last year cut-off rank for general merit category was 6367 in this particular college. Now next I'll show you for category 1. Okay, I'll just read out top 5 Remaining anyway, you can access by downloading this particular document by clicking the link which is there in the description. RV College of Engineering 158 cutoff last year for category 1. BMS College of Engineering 195. PS University 227. MS Ramaya Institute of Technology 254. SJC JSS Science and Technology University Mysore 302. Okay. Remaining you can just have a look at. Next, for 2A category, this list is for exclusively 2A category. RV College of Engineering, Mysore Road, 223, last year cutoff for 2A category. PS University, 251, BMS College of Engineering, 258, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, 283, JSS Science and Technology University, so 358. For remaining colleges, you can just have a look at these cutoff rank, last year cutoff rank for 2A category. And the list for 2B category, the cutoff list for 2B category, RV College of Engineering 152, BMS College of Engineering 203, PS University 268, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology 270, Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, Kumaraswamy Layout, Bangalore 413. For remaining colleges, please look at these cutoff ranks. I just scroll it down slowly. This is for 2B category. This list is for 2B category. Okay, for 3A category, the cutoff rank for MCA colleges last year, RV College of Engineering. I think we are seeing RV College for all the categories topping the list. We can see RV College of Engineering here, the every list, and it is at the top. So last year cutoff was 88 for RV College of Engineering, PS University 151, BMS College of Engineering 161, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, it is 172, JSS Science and Technology University 230. ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಫಾರ್ 3A category. University of Mysore also there is MCA. Last year cutoff for 3A was 1116. VTU PG Center Mysore 3180. T. John College Gottigere Bangalore 4432. And for 3B category list is here. RV College of Engineering last year cutoff for 3B category 77, PS University 127, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology 145, BMS College of Engineering 184, JSS Science and Technology University 234. I think these 5 colleges repeating for all the categories. I think these are the top 5 colleges if you ask me for MCA program in Karnataka. For SC category, last year cutoff, BMS College of Engineering 351, RV College of Engineering 682, JSS Science and Technology University 715, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology 816, The National Institute of Engineering, Mysore, 1162. And the list for ST category, RV College of Engineering, 87, last year cutoff. BMS College of Engineering, 177. JSS Science and Technology University, 336. PS University, 342. MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, 1038. So this list is for ST category. And for ex-defense, ex-servicemen also there was a list I could able to find out. BMS College of Engineering, 335 for ex-servicemen, ex-defense. PAS College of Engineering, Mandya, 2162. Mount Carmel College, this is Bangalore, Women's College, 3314. NMAM Institute of Technology, NITE, 3885. University of Mysore, 4662. For physically handicapped, we have two colleges here. PS University, 3750, and RV College of Engineering, Mysore Road, 4881. And for non-Kannadigas, non-Karnataka candidates, we have this list. National Institute of Engineering, Mysore, 634. BMS Institute of Technology and Management, Bangalore, 841. NITE Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bangalore, 1243. And Jain College of Engineering, Belgaum, 3381. So this list is for non-Karnataka students. Okay. So far whatever we have seen the list, that is for Karnataka, rest of Karnataka candidates. ಇವಾಗ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ I'll just show you the list. Same way, but for general merit, for Kalyana Karnataka students, RV College of Engineering, 186, last year cutoff. BMS College of Engineering, 210. PS University, 287. MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, 458. Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, 479. Likewise, these colleges have cutoff. You can just have a look into. This is for general merit category, which is in Kalyana Karnataka. I mean for Kalyana Karnataka candidates. Category 1, Kalyana Karnataka candidates. We have only two colleges here. MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, 1117 was the cutoff. NITE Meenakshi, that is Bangalore, 5189. And for 2A category, we have these colleges. RV College of Engineering, 551. Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, 736. Bangalore Institute of Technology, BIT, Vivipuram, Bangalore. This is 1234. Dayananda Sagar College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Kumaraswamy Laboratory, Bangalore, 1791. Reva University, Bangalore, 2499. And for 2B category, we have only one college, Raja Rajeshwari College of Engineering, Kumalagodu, Bangalore, 5869 was the cutoff rank for 2B category. And for 3A category, we have here 5 colleges. You can just have a look into. NIE Mysore, 2428. Global Institute of Management Sciences, RS Nagara, Bangalore, it is 3530. Vidya Vikas Institute of Engineering and Technology, Mysore, 4488. And for 3B category, we have 3 colleges here. Oxford College of Engineering, 3807. East West College of Management, Bangalore, it is 4852. For SC category, we have this list. This is again for Kalyana Karnataka candidates. RV College of Engineering, 969. BMS College of Engineering, 1324. Bangalore University 2654, BMS Institute of Technology and Management 3254, University of Mysore 4307. And for ST candidates, we have this PS University 849, JSS Science and Technology University SJCE 3026. This is Brindavan College 5444. So this is what the list I have prepared. I hope this will definitely help you to make a decision in selecting colleges for your MCA program. With this, I wish you all the very best. Have a great learning career and also bright future. Thank you so much.